Alrighty guys, here we have it. It looks like it does have a little something going on in here. Looks like adjustable push rods. We got an aftermarket breather. I got a whole 2021 Road Glide CVO paint set for this thing, man. Alrighty guys, just like that. Whoa, it's cold than a mother, cold than a mother. We got the Harley back here. We just told the transporter to drop it off, man. We just left the Dallas versus Houston Rockets game, man, and that thing is here, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. We got the joint here. I gotta move the vet out the way a little bit. Oh man, I should be able to get it. I should be able to. We gonna see, gang. We gonna see. Oh my God, it's so cold out here, boy. Golly. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took delivery of our next level Hellcat, man. You guys know what time it is, man. That narrow body came through, but you guys know, man, we about to make that thing a wide body. Throw the oohs and the eyes on there, man. I can't wait to see that thing come together. But that is not the topic of discussion today, man. You guys see the title, man. I know you guys been like, man, he been doing so much car content, man. He's not even doing motorcycles no more. Like, bro, let me load up, gang. Let me load up, man. So with that being said, man, you guys see the title, man. We just took delivery of another Harley Davidson, a Road Glide, of course, man. The transporter came through last night, and I wasn't here. I was actually at the Houston Rockets game versus the Mavericks. Houston lost, of course, but we were there, and our transporter was here. He ended up just dropping it off in the driveway and went on about his way, man. So I definitely appreciate you for helping me out, getting this thing all the way down from Ohio to Houston, Texas, man, for your boy Everything Regular to put his spin and taste on this thing, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys, man. We're about to check this thing out, pull it out in the sun, get it cleaned up, because you guys know we can't even really bring this in the garage unless it's clean and up to par, man. So I can't wait. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 CVO Road Glide, man, now is the time. It is the last chance you can get in at $25, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular Movies Only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We are almost sold out. Then it is the day that we supposed to be going live, so it's literally all coming into play around the same time, man. I can't wait. It's time to go, yay. But furthermore, man, let's pull this thing out. Let's check it out and see what we got new in the house, man. It's a movie. Alrighty, guys, here we have it. Our 2018 Road Glide Special. Now, you guys know my style and how I get down, so let's just get right into it, man. We're gonna need a new inner and outer fairing. Inner fairing is it's fair, but it's whooped. It's scraped up on the sides over here, and it's just not gonna cut it for me. Outer fairing definitely look like this thing slid a little bit. You guys can just see how far it slid, or get an idea rather. Headlight looks like it can be saved. Honestly, we should be able to save that. So that's exactly what I expected. So if you guys look at this fairing right here, you guys can see it does look a little bit uneven right here. So there's a neck piece that holds this whole fairing together, or at least holds the mount up and everything. And we'll be able to change that thing out. Once we change that thing out, it'll fix the fairing, make it straight. And that's pretty much the hardest part from what I see so far. Of course, we're gonna need a new crash bar. We're gonna need a new front fender. CFFC. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna try to take a heat gun to it and try to get it off. If we can, we're just gonna have to find something that CFFC stands for in our own words, man. So furthermore, man, let's move back and see what else we got. Now, you guys know the specials come with like the 114. Some of them come with the 107. However, this one, you're not too sure about it, but it looks like it does have a little something going on in here. Looks like adjustable push rods. We got an aftermarket breather. I don't know. We'll see what's up. But if we take a look back here, man, I actually checked it out on live with some of our supporters on there, and this is what we found to be the biggest problem so far. So this little vacuum tube right here is ripped off, completely ripped off rather. So the vacuum tube is completely ripped off, so we gotta replace this vacuum right here. No big deal, because the clamp is like right there, so we should be able to grab that and get that thing off. Of course the battery's dead. Yeah, of course the battery's dead, huh? But bags is whooped. Bags is super whooped, gang. We're gonna have to take these off. I'm telling you, this bike slid a good ways because you can see how grinded down the freaking saddlebag is. So definitely slid a little bit of ways, but we do have some aftermarket exhaust on here, aftermarket like tail lights and stuff like that. So that should be really, really cool. Like I said, this is the special goat, so it's got all the blackout trimming and all the blackout stuff and everything like that. This side doesn't look too bad. However, like I said, it did grind down a good ways, man. So we gonna see. We do got some, what is these? Diamond, oh, these is Tab Performance. We got some Tab Performance exhaust on here, which is really cool. Now, if we take a look over here, we can see this vacuum hose a little bit better. Of course, we'll need to get a new one of those. But other than that, no big deal, at least from what I see so far. I don't see nothing else that really stands out. Now, I don't know what this is. I've never seen one of these on a Road Glide before, so we're gonna have to see what this is right here. I don't know what that is, but all in all, it looks pretty fair. Bars is a little bit tweaked, but we already have bars and everything in there, man, so not a big deal. I can't wait for that. I can't wait for that. But other than that little stuff, man, it's not too much. You got the gas tank here with a little lock on top. We actually got something just for that, man, so I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do to this bike here. But all in all, not too much real damage, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. We actually about to get this thing cleaned up a little bit. Well, a lot of it rather. Get all this dust off, clean it up, have it looking good, and then we'll pull it in and see what else we can get done to this thing. Because you guys know I got a whole 2021 Road Glide CVO paint set for this thing, man. So you guys see the bags for this thing here. These bags and whole paint set is going to go on that bike, man, so I can't wait. We basically are turning a 2018 Road Glide special into a 2021 CVO Road Glide, man, so I can't wait to get this thing done with you guys. It should be pretty quick. We got 2 boxes of parts in, but I think the main parts is still on the way in, so we'll see what we can get done today and just get ready for when the rest of the parts come. But y'all see it here first, man. Let's get this thing cleaned up and shined up again, gang. And then we can also take off the damaged parts like the front fender, crash bar. We can take these bags off. And from there, we can just get it together because I don't really want to take the inner and outer fairing off unless we got that one piece that goes under there. And then we can put the whole inner and outer back together, man. But we'll see what's up, though. Just like that, guys, we got this thing all cleaned up, looking good, shining up, all the above, man. I can't wait to get this thing together. I ain't gonna even hold you. I ain't gonna even hold you, man. I'm actually about to crack this box open and see what we got up in here, and then our other box and see what parts we got. So if we got enough parts, man, we can even start putting this thing together. Ain't no time to waste, man. So I ain't got nothing to do today. So we're gonna see how far along we can get this thing, man. Let's see what parts we got in this box. Just like that, guys, we got pretty much what they sent in the boxes out. So now if we take a quick look here, man, you guys see the freaking front like oil cooler cover. This comes off the 2021 CVO Road Glide. We got that. We got the little spoiler effect thingy that goes up there by the fairing. We got our front fender right here. So we can literally probably throw this thing on there too. This thing looks good. Y'all like black Harleys, man, so here you go. Black and red for the go. All right, we got our fender. We got our freaking, here's our bags right here. Like I said, guys, we got the whole 2021 CVO Road Glide set here that we're putting on this bike. So we're waiting for a few more things to come in the mail, but you guys see it here, custom vehicle operations, man, the one and only. The one and only. So I can't wait. This thing will be really, really freaking sick. We got the rear fender right there, the CVO style rear fender on there as well. So this one will be really, really dope. We'll probably be able to mount this thing up right now, actually. And then we got one side cover in the seats. So the rest of the stuff will be here in a couple days. Meanwhile, today, I'm sure we'll be able to get this rear fender swapped out. Get the new fender on there, get a side cover on there, and maybe even finish it off with the front fender for now, man. So we'll see what's good. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go. Yeah, man. Let's take this rear fender off and swap it out real quick, gang. Alrighty, guys, just like that, man, we done got the rear fender on there. We got one of our saddlebags. You know, they didn't send both of them at the same time. They sent them in separate boxes. So unfortunately, we only got one side of the bike done. We got the rear fender on there. We got the saddlebag on there. We got the side cover. And then we don't have the gas tank in stock just yet. That's still on the way in the mail. We do have the front fender, however, in stock, and that thing looks good. You guys know the CVOs come with that 21-inch, so that's why it's so much space up here. But being that it comes with a 21, man, we got the CVO wheels on the way. However, I think I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and going with my own style wheels, man. So can't wait to complete this thing off. All in all, this thing is looking good. Like I said, guys, I had got this bike specifically for this CVO paint set, so this thing should be done quick, fast, and in a hurry, man. I'm thinking about next time, or at least, well, whenever they come in, these parts come in the mail, this thing will be that much more done. But all in all, man, I can't wait. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. It's a movie. But now that we do got that stuff done, man, that's already done and knocked out the way, we can actually pull this bike back in, get it in hibernation mode until the rest of our parts come for it. Meanwhile, we can take these damaged parts, toss them away. We can keep the bags because we're going to need those for another project or something, at least the hardware rather. We can put this oil cooler cover aside along with these like little spoiler things, so we can put both of those aside, clean up the garage, and get this thing situated and then see what's next, guys. Just like that, man, we got everything cleaned back up. Garage is clean, looking good. Now, I actually forgot I didn't try this out here with you guys, but I did try it on live, man. Now, you guys seen the little the vacuum hose that's ripped. However, we're gonna see if we can get this thing fired up. We'll put something right there to catch the oil if so. But like I said, man, we're gonna try and see what we can get done. See what we can get done, gang. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna fire up, but pretty cool speakers though. Pretty cool speakers though. Okay. We got some backlight action on this thing. Them things is lit up. That's dope. At least we know the tail lights work. Battery's totally dead. Battery's totally dead, man. We're gonna have to get a battery for this thing and maybe some more. We're definitely gonna have to get that vacuum hose. But all in all, man, this thing will be done in the next couple of days. I can't wait. Literally just gotta throw the inner outer fairing on there, gas tank, and that's pretty much it. Get the damaged item like the little freaking twist grip here, get new bars on it. We got new gas tank trim, get the other saddlebag, other side cover there, and honestly it's back to normal. So we'll hope for the best. I honestly think this one may have a whole cam, because if we look down here, guys, it does look like adjustable push rods. And I know when this bike first came stock, this is like a black chrome. It's not like a like this powder coated black here. It's more like a black chrome. So that tells me they changed this out. So my guess is it's definitely a cam in here, man. We'll have to see what's going on. But in the meantime, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, gang. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. You guys caught the video. We finally took delivery of our 2018 Rogue Glide. That's about to have all the everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. You guys seen us. Actually, you guys didn't even see the transporter dropped it off when we was at the game. So came up, bike was just sitting in our driveway. Got up today early and just tackled it and see what we can get done. So we got everything on there except for a few parts. We still need the gas tank inner fairing and outer fairing, along with the left saddlebag and the left saddlebag side cover. So once that get in, this bike will be that much more complete. Meanwhile, we wasn't able to get it started today. So tomorrow we'll be tackling that. I can't wait, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today. This CVO is gonna look freaking great when I'm done. I'm gonna give myself about a good week, full-on week, to have this thing fully complete and back on the road, man. So we'll see how that works out. In the meantime, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 CVO Rogue Glide in the blue steel, man, now's the time. $25 can have us pulling up to your door with this bike just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, man. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your movies only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. It is almost that time to shine, guys. Like I said, this is the cheapest giveaway ever for the best bike we've ever had, man. So get in while you can. Support your boy Everything's Regular today at everythingregular.com right now and go get you a movies only patch. Meanwhile, we back in the garage. We got this thing situated. Now we're just waiting on a few more parts. So with that being said, man, I'm about to hop back on this charger, get that thing cleaned up, and see how it's looking, man. So with that being said, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.